Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Recently, Honor launched the Honor 9 Lite in India at a price of Rs 11,000. The USP of this device is that it comes with 4 cameras. Yes, you heard me right, 4 cameras, 2 at the back and 2 at the front. Honor praised these cameras a lot at the launch event, hence I decided to put these cameras to a test. So today in this video, let's find out whether these cameras are any good or not. Without wasting any more time, let's begin. I've divided this video into 2 parts. First one is daylight situations and the other one is low light situations. Let's start off with the daylight images. In daylight conditions, the images are sharp with a lot of detail in them. The colors are good and so is the dynamic range. The 13 megapixel f2.2 sensor performs better than I expected it to perform in terms of daylight situations. The secondary 2 megapixel camera is used to capture depth information and hence you can shoot portrait mode shots on this 11,000 rupee phone. The portrait mode is a hit or a miss. Sometimes the images turn out to be good, but sometimes the edge detection isn't good at all. The portrait mode is more of an artificial one. That means despite of having a secondary depth sensor, the background blur seems to be software. Same is the case with front-facing portrait mode. Sometimes it's really good and sometimes it feels a little unnatural. So that means Huawei is using some sort of software to make that background blurred. So overall, I would say that the portrait mode can get better by software updates and Honor should do that. The rear as well as front camera can shoot up to 1080p at 30 fps. Lack of EIS and OIS means shaky handheld video. But at this price point, I wasn't expecting stabilization, hence that is no big deal. The videos too are pretty good in terms of daylight situation. So overall, in terms of daylight conditions, the cameras perform good enough. The problem starts in low light situations. The images have a lot of noise in them and in some situations, the image is unusable. Both the rear as well as front camera struggle when it comes to low light performance. Frankly, I was expecting a little better performance from this camera in terms of low light, but that's not the case. Luckily, using the Pro mode in camera, you can click some decent images, but that is one extra step and not everyone can use manual mode. In terms of low light video, the story is the same. Lot of noise results in not a good looking video. So overall, to sum it all up, I would say that the cameras are good enough for a price of Rs 11,000. I was expecting a little bit better performance in terms of low light, but that is just my personal preference. If you go to buy any phone under the 15,000 rupees price range, the low light photography is going to be a hit or miss. So we cannot do anything about that. But for 11,000 rupees, I would say that the cameras are good enough. So anyway, that's been it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to smash that like button. I am working on a camera comparison video between the Mi A1 and the Honor Lite, so definitely hit the subscribe button for that. You don't want to miss that video. You can follow me on my social media profiles. All the links are available in the description box below. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.